Hello and welcome everyone, Carman back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my Mercedes. Right now, as you could see, one of my low beam headlight bulbs are out, and I'm going to be sharing with you on how to change it. So please follow along and I'll explain the steps on the way. This process is a bit challenging if you're not removing the whole headlight assembly, but it is possible. Depending on your Mercedes, you're going to have some stuff in the way. My ML has a coolant box on one side and a fuse box on the other side. So access to the bulbs is very limited, it's very hard to reach into, but it's still possible to do without removing the whole assembly. Before removing the module, make sure you disconnect the wire. To take the small module off, you gotta twist and turn. The bulb is still inside. The bulb is secured by two metal clips. The two clips are secured in two notches, so you gotta push the clip down and pull it aside and the clip will release, and you do the same on the other one and the bulb will come right out. Here's my old burned bulb, and these are the new ones I'm going to be using. They're D2S and the color temperature I am using are 8000K. Now it's time to install the new bulb, and installing, you're going to put the bulb right into the socket and grab both of the side clips and lock them in place to secure the bulb. Once the bulb is secured, it's time to install the module, but before installing the module, make sure to connect the power wire as it's very hard to install it afterwards. Once the power wire is on, I'm going to install the module and lock it right into place. And now I'm going to replace the bulb on the passenger side as well. And here are the final results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this video has helped you out, please give it a like and share. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.